Hello boys and girls, and welcome to a very windswept Llandudno prom. Oh, gas blowing a gale here. Just going to film by here for a second with when I did a film a while back after the storm. There was a right old mess here and they'd had to fence it off because it was unsafe after the storm, but here we go, it survived. And this is the shelter I mentioned on a previous video where Angela Rayner and the Labour Party were all sat here. Bless him. There's all the benches. See? People love coming and sit here. Oh. Good job I got my microphone. It's blowing a hoolie. Just a very brief one. As I keep mentioning, I'm a bit unsteady. I'm trying to find my way back to fitness, but it's going to be a long haul, I think. There's a theatre there, and then you Cymru. See how much is blowing now? See the taping blowing round here? A nice view down the prom again. I filmed down here the other day, down by the paddling pools. Oh. Yeah, just a short one. Yeah, hopefully I'll be back on form soon and I can have a good ramble round then. And ramble on. Well, I hope everyone's good and enjoying doing what you're doing. And thank you to our latest subscribers. Nice to have you on board. Hope you're enjoying the videos. Perhaps they're not for everyone what I do, but those of you who like them, thank you. And I hope you keep enjoying them. Just give you one last view there over the little home. And back out over the pier. And down the rest of the prom. See you on the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Adios, amigos.